Namaste everyone. We have been hearing this definition a number of times. Sthira Sukham Asanam. All the yoga practitioners knows the meaning of it. But what I believe is asanas does not give us mere physical stability, but it also helps in giving stability of the mind. That is, physiological stability is achieved with asana practice. Now, I have seen lot of people have this ego, yes, ego, that we will not be using any support or we will not be using any props when we are into asanas. No matter whatever happens, but I will not use the props. People here fail to understand that every body has certain limitations. There are limitations of orientation of the bones, orientation of the joints, and limitations of the proportion. Could be that my upper limbs are shorter than the larger limbs, and because of that I am not able to touch my hand to the floor. But I will not listen to my body, I will not listen to my unique biomechanics, I will not listen to my unique anatomy rather. I will just try to reach down and break my bones or my spine or whatever, but I will not use props. Why? Why? Friends, using the props will actually help you to achieve Sthira Sukham Asana. Tell me, what is the use if you are into the pose and you are gasping for breath? You are simply pulling and pushing just to stay in the pose because your ego is so inflated that is not making you use the props. Why? Friends, Patanjali doesn't say that Sthira Sukham Asanam without props. Neither he says they use the props. But what he says, attain the stability, and the stability can be achieved with the help of props. And why not to use props, friends? Now, Patanjali doesn't give any names of asana, but in Vyasa Bhashya, Vyasa gives Vyasa gives names of few asanas. And there is one asana which is called as Sopashraya. Now, what is Sopashraya? Easy asana, or something which can be made easy by using some props. So friends, the mention of props is there in the yogic text also. So why not use them? Friends, I will tell you one thing. To achieve Sthira Sukham Asana, drop your ego and pick up the props, and then you see you will attain the stability of the body as well the mind. Namaste. Thank you.